How to turn off relationship status. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off relationship status on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and now click on privacy checkup. Click on the pink one, which is your ad preference on Facebook, and click on continue and click on next, and you have the first option, which is relationship status. Click on it and you can turn off this option, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.